In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Monopoly Go online. It's a very simple and easy process. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Monopoly Go online game. Now in the search results, look for the official website link of monopolygo.com and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of interface. Now in order to play Monopoly Go online, you need to log into your account first. Here you can see the login option at the top right corner, tap on it. If you already have a Monopoly Go account before, then you can sign in with your Monopoly Go account over here. If not, you can even log in with your Facebook account. So you can choose either option. For now, choose to sign in with Facebook. It'll access your Facebook account and ask for your permission to connect. You can tap on continue. And there you go. Your account is successfully connected and you are now logged into your Monopoly Go account. You can now start to play the Monopoly Go online through the web interface. So that's it. That's how you can easily play Monopoly Go online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.